Hey guys, welcome to our channel where we teach you how to cook and catch yourself on fire. But hopefully you guys can hear me pretty good. We're trying some new audio, new microphone, wireless. Got a viral recipe for y'all. We are gonna do feta pasta. So we got about 7-ounce block there. We're gonna throw a little olive oil in the bottom. Got our tomatoes over here, little cherry tomatoes, little grape tomatoes. You're gonna use about a half a cup of olive oil in total, guys. All right. But you know, I'm not gonna wait till the end to do my basil. We're gonna go ahead and chop it up now. We're gonna add it in with the tomatoes. You don't want to crush it. You just want to cut it nicely. All right. But we're gonna do a reaper kick. We're gonna add some bacon. Oh yeah, bacon. Not a lot. We don't want to overpower. Just a little bit. That was Jacqueline's request, my lovely daughter, who's helping us out tonight. Some kosher salt. Some fresh ground black pepper. We're gonna add some more when we get it in the pan, guys. You want to make sure you're preheating your oven to 400 degrees. You want your tomatoes ripe. The riper, the better it works with this, guys. Man down. Back in the bowl you go. All right. Yeah, that was spectator in the background. That was Luna. She decided to put her 2 cents in. All right. So we're going to go ahead and put our tomatoes in there. Oh yeah. Oh, and our oven is ready to go too. Hope you guys been doing okay. See, everyone's sort of getting a little bit better with the corona. But I just got off work, guys, so don't mind the attire. All right, so we're gonna put a little bit more olive oil in there. We want it to get all happy. We want it to fall in love with each other. Right? Right. Can't go wrong with extra virgin olive oil, guys. But I'm also gonna use a little bit of pink Himalayan salt. Bam, there you go. And let me see here. Do we want some, and this drives me crazy, guys, oregano? No, we are doing oregano. Woohoo! Just a little sprinkle, not a lot. We don't want to overpower it. Okay? And we are hitting it up with none other than chili flakes. If you like spicy, use more. You don't, oh well. Season it however you like. All right? Oh, we're gonna have to hit it with a little more pepper. Oh yeah. Can't go wrong with pepper, guys. All right, so there's your basic ingredients for this feta pasta. Let me walk over here. I gotta get some salt for my pasta water. Not a lot, just a little. And we're gonna go ahead and pop this in the oven for about 40 minutes, guys. Well, about 35. Bam, there it goes. All right, but we're gonna get our pasta water up to boiling. I'm gonna cook my pasta, which we're gonna use penne pasta. We're gonna cook that for, well, let's see what the package says. La, 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 la. Wow, look at that. Doesn't say, but you know. Hold on, we're looking around. But you know, I'm pretty sure that in about 10 minutes, we're gonna be good with this. Al dente, because when we mix it in with the other, it's gonna finish cooking. All right? But we will see you, and don't you worry. And I didn't forget about my garlic. But as you can see, if you watch my garlic video, I'm making it into almost a paste. This garlic is amazing. Little coarse salt, olive oil, smash it around. It's almost a paste. But we're gonna add this about halfway through the cook time. All right? I won't show you that. I'll just go ahead and throw it in. I never forget my garlic. Hey guys, welcome. We'll see you in a few, guys. Hey, and don't forget, check out some friends of mine, Heavy Metal Beer Club. Arthur and Andrea, they're awesome. Look up their channel. I'll leave a link in the description, guys. But we just got it out, and I did actually put aside about a quarter of a mug of pasta water, just in case it wasn't creamy enough. But as you can see, I think we're good. It does take, you know, a little bit of work to smash up the tomatoes. Not that bad. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and get this all mixed in. Oh yeah. A little bit of heaven there, guys. Whoa. You always want to set aside a little bit of your pasta water. Why? Because it's starchy. So it makes it thick. But get this all mixed up, guys. We'll go ahead and get it plated. And hold on. What do you think? I think we need to put some more chili flakes in there, kid. All right. But we'll see you in a minute. Stick around. We'll get it plated and we'll try something. All right, guys. Got it plated. Got our basil on there. And of course, you guessed it, little Romano. Fresh grated Romano. Woo! You know what? I like spice. Even though I added more chili flakes, I'm gonna add a little more. I like it. Maybe a little splash of salt, guys. Sort of losing my voice today. Sheesh. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. It's free. We have fun. We entertain you along the way. And we teach you some good recipes. It's pretty darn good. But I'd like to thank you for being with us, Cooking with a Reaper. You're a heavy metal chef. God bless, and we will see you next time.